Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll see an introduction to pivot tables, Excel's dynamic and interactive tables. The data that you see on this sheet includes 15,000 rows and could be hard to elaborate. Pivot tables are a great way to simplify the work with large quantities of data. Let's select the whole table, including its titles, and go to the menu bar. Once we are there, we need to select the Insert bar and click on Pivot Table. In this dialog box, we have to confirm that we want to create a pivot table for our current selection. We will click OK. A new sheet opens and our pivot table is ready to be created. First, we have to select which is the field that we would like to analyze in our table. Let's say that we are interested in seeing more about volumes. We have to drag the Volume field to the bottom of the menu where Values is written. Now you can see that the table displays Count of Volume. It actually counts the cells in which there is a number. What we want to see are the total volumes of the business. We have to add the cells together, not count them. Therefore, we will click Volume and go to Value Field Settings, where we can choose what type of action is to be carried out. Here we will select Sum. Let's add a few rows and columns to the table. I'll drag Year to the column box in the following way. The table was immediately populated with the volume of sales per each year. Now let's drag the Product Group field to the row box, and the result is a nice table displaying the product group breakdown of volumes per each year. There are some additional subtleties in the work with pivot tables, but I believe that this video will do for a start. Thanks for watching.